Well, for the weekend and for most of our Monday, the weather was all about the heat, and we now have some thunderstorms that are developing that are really being fueled by all the hot temperatures that we had for today. Just down to our south, we do have some heavy rain and thunderstorm activity setting. We're tracking that right now with Viper radar, and just moments ago, we did get a new severe thunderstorm warning issued for Liberty County and to extreme southern Bryan County, but this does include Fort Stewart and Hinesville. This storm is drifting eastwardly at around 5 miles per hour, but it is capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. Even some small hail could be mixed in with that in other areas around this. So this cluster of storms developing into Long County as well is capable of producing some strong and gusty wind, just not severe at the moment. But watch out for that heavy rain, frequent lightning with those strong winds. Definitely want to stay indoors until these do pass. Further inland, starting to settle down. We did have some heavy rain and some stronger storms across Montgomery and Toombs County into Tattnall County. Just some lighter rain left over, and that's what we have more toward the coast right now. But some of this is beginning to develop a little bit more, so we're going to be watching for some of that activity now developing into Richmond Hill and southern Chatham County. As far as the rest of the evening, a few more showers and storms remain possible until we lose the daytime heating. Today in Savannah, officially making it to 97 degrees for the high temperature, so a little bit above normal. We are certainly cooling off where that rain has been heavy, down into the 70s for Vidalia and Glenville, still holding on to 95 for us here in Savannah, 97 for Rincon. So still pretty hot out there, still feeling even hotter. Rincon with a feels like temperature of 116 degrees. Same thing for Hilton Head right now. So definitely stay cool and hydrated, and also keep an eye to the sky because of those storms developing. We still do have a heat advisory in place until 8 o'clock. These are for our counties north of the Altamaha River because of that likelihood of heat index values over 108 degrees, which of course can be very dangerous if you do not take precautions to stay cool and hydrated while taking plenty of breaks if you're going to be outdoors. Higher rain chances are in the forecast for the next couple of days. We do have a disturbance off of the coast of Florida north of the Bahamas. It's an upper level area of energy that is drifting back to the west and will eventually bring us those higher rain chances. So storms likely for Tuesday into Wednesday. Once the storms set up for tomorrow, we will begin to cool off a little bit, so cooler temperatures in the forecast for the rest of the week. But for tomorrow, there's a risk again for a few strong and severe storms possible in the afternoon and into the evening hours, with damaging wind being the primary concern. For tonight into the evening hours, a few more storms are possible, drying out largely overnight, but staying very warm and humid for early Tuesday morning. It's in the afternoon, once we have hot temperatures, that we will begin to see those thunderstorms really begin to fire off with some pockets of some heavy rain setting up. Of course, we do have that low end risk for severe storms continuing into the evening hours. For tonight, 77 degrees for the low temperature, 94 for tomorrow before those storms begin to set up. So definitely watch out for that. If you're going to be out and about on the boat, maybe not the best idea in the afternoon hours because of those thunderstorms that will be around the region. So as far as those rain chances, staying high for Wednesday, but then tapering off a little bit for Thursday and Friday, more of a typical pattern, but then drying up for the weekend and heating up again into the mid to upper 90s.
All right, play it safe out there.
Absolutely.
Still ahead, we have updates.